Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when Earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to update your software version. To do this, open LG TONE Free application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu here. You just scroll down, and at the bottom we have software updates. Click on it. It checks for updates, and it said that I have the last software version if you haven't installed a new one in the application. Next one, it may be a problem of your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or in your browser. Firstly, remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it. If both of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. At the top we have these dots, so right here and right here. This one is touch areas, and you need to press and hold at the both of these dots until the LED light starts blinking red. Firstly, it starts to blink blue because we enter blink mode. You just keep holding. And now we have the red LED light. Now we can release your fingers, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to blink mode automatically, so you just tap on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!